Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today is August 30th, 2025, and I'm doing a little raspberry maintenance. You can see here I'm working on the Mac Blacks, and what I'm doing is I'm cutting out the 2-year-old canes that are dying or dead, and I'm shortening the 1-year-old canes that grew this year. So you can see here, I've thinned them out quite a bit. You can see down there, right in there, what it looks like before you clean it up. And this is what it's supposed to look like after you're done cleaning up. I still got to thin some of these out. Some of them have too many canes in. You want maybe 5, 6 tops, and you want to select your thickest canes. So little skinny ones gotta go. And you want to keep your nice thick ones. You can see that cane is as fat as my thumb. And then little stuff like this is what you want to cut out. You want to get rid of all your little skinny stuff. And I would say 5's a good number for me. I would select your 5 best canes at each spot. So these are spaced 2 feet apart, I believe. And you can see what the old canes look like right here. See that, how they're brown and the bark's coming off of them like that. That's dead, and they gotta go. And then I'll select my 5 nicest ones, like this one, these skinny ones will go. So I see 3 thick ones, and then maybe 4 decent size ones, and then I'll go on thin some of the others out then. But you're gonna need a good size loppers, something like this, a hand pruners, and if you're doing thornless berries, of course you're gonna want some kind of glove just for cleaning up. And you just cut them off as low to the ground as you can, like that. Pull them out, put them on a pile, then get rid of them. I wouldn't dump them anywhere near your raspberries. Some people burn them, some people save them because there's a type of insect that lives in the cane that's beneficial over winter. I think it's a type of wasp or something that makes a home inside there for the winter if you don't burn them. So that's entirely up to you. You do what your conscience tells you to do, or what's most necessary for you. I usually burn them. I just don't have the space to pile sticks up and stuff like that now. Maybe if you're in a more sizable property, you got a couple acres and you got a place where you can compost, that would be ideal for you. But for me, it just doesn't, it's not practical. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and it's the end of the year for these. The red raspberries and the yellow raspberries are still throwing lots of fruit. I'll be picking them until frost, but the blacks are done for the year. I have some Nuwats that are throwing some flowers. If you want a quick hop over there and take a look at that. These are the Nuwats. I came through here and shortened some of these canes and did a little work in here, but look here. Right there. New berries. Now what they'll be like, I don't know. But I thought that was interesting. Every now and then a raspberry will do that. They'll throw a cane at the end of the year, get a couple berries off it, but it's never spectacular. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Oh, there's the chickens. What chickens are left, you know, that fox has been thinned a couple, but I still have three girls. 3 girls over there, and those will be next year's new row of raspberries. I gotta get to this side. Look at all the cane work I have to do over here. Look at that. That's crazy how much growth I got. It all came to this side. So I got a lot of thinning to do there, and I got to put wire on this T-post here for another row for next year. that the chickens are so nicely grooming for me. They go through there and scratch and get all the grubs out. All right, thanks for watching. We're in a garden out here.